Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Welcome sa Mobile Legend, Bang Bang. Correct, abas lang.
The battlefield.
Kaya first day no, kay mausanan siya sa core day, like tabangan na to siya day. Because as a
To
mage,
win is
I
the glue.
responsible na mag
Life is so perilous a journey
responsibility
that
na ko day na
people
ako
get
siyang
lost
tabangan
easily.
bayot, of course. Labayot si Ok ang kontra day, pasabog. Manda ka day. Try lang mapagika-item. Kaya dapat day ha. Responsibilities natin ni day.
Petals unfold.
First blood.
Na yatch ang
Finally rise and
Labas
bloom.
lang. Araday, yat si Balmo. Gaba, bayot. Gava. Araday. Go. Ano kayo sa amin? Ikaw, Doy. Ah! Pasabog. Bayot mo kay Espo ka, ma'am. Tagpaon, takaron. Okay. Okay, guys, mabalik na ta sa maid, of course.
Careful.
Diba?
Soul corruption is contagious.
True. Ay! Abas lang. Ouch. Good day. Karon lang kay naka-ulti na ko day, manda. Awa day ha, watch and learn. Hala, uy, palagi ni siya ay. Palagi siya pagkababae ba yun?
Uncool.
Gida ipaduol na day. Let's yun na. Kani oh.
Bloom now.
Try lang, wadi na yatch. Uy, ara oh. Awa day ha. Diri na B. Hala, ayoko na ti. Epal kasi glue eye na. Papilit na karon.
Slain.
Diya kaluod ni mo da. Mayat, asa ka day.
Dark to purify the world.
My gosh. Oops. Hala, let's Sige, ay, karon. Makipatay jud ka ha, let's ka. Yaw, doy. Gaba, bayot, gaba na ni mo day. Pilingon ka ha. Ate, wa pa jud kay mana, uy, pamati ay.
As long
Manda lang kang luhak ka, papilit jud ta karon. Dapat guys, lay ta guys ta. Dapat we always lay jud ta ka. It's like ani manda ka ti. Ko pa papansin man kang payuta ka. Hala, oops. Kidoy. Kilet ka wala na kay mana. Tang ina ka. Bayot, paghilom. Day, sige day, unsa man day makigwardlahan ka nako day, let's ka. Wala syudi an santo.
Slain.
My gosh! Judean Santos ay. Kigwarlahan siya na ko ba yun?
Gather at the turtle!
Questionabilities?
the darkness.
My
Again.
gosh. Pasabog ang warlahan day, manda.
Enemy has been slain.
Manda ang warlahan. Ikaw ba yun? Pilingon kay ka, ma'am. Pilingon kay ka day.
Enemy has
Ikaw.
slain the turtle.
Oh, bayot mo kay kagbaba, ma'am. Pagilom.
Another
Correct, try lang.
soul.
Di ba corrected by? Bayot wala sa questionability, ma'am. Balag nakuha nilang turtle, ma'am. At long as napatay siya, bayot. That is the one of the... Sure. Muna important, day. As long as nayat siya, ma'am. Kaysa makatakas pa man. Ara. Then parang may nakikita ko dito, day. Parang may something. Ayon.
The world
Nakita
is
ko na, day.
And every soul.
Solo kill!
Oops! Hola, Mia! Di nawala siya, day. Let's siya na validity ay. Hola, Sige ka.
Has been slain.
O, ayan! Go, patayan! Gaba. Hala,
Has been slain.
hala, dili ko masugot, day. Let's ka, balik diri. Hala, di ko masugot. Wow, manda. Kundi patya na, day. Hala, ako pa'y mapatayan ni Ron. Sige. Hala, sige lang. Kalma, guys, kalma. Oh! Ayan! Try lang.
An enemy has been slain.
Uy, let's yun. Napaka-let's talaga. Manda ka, Goshen. Babalikan kita. Feeling ka, ha? Ano?
Solo kill! An enemy has been slain.
Huwag kang feeling, Goshen. Manda ka sa akin. Diba, guys? Target lock, Goshen. Manda ka, Goshen. Bayot, patay man day siya, day. Target lang kita, humanda ka sa akin, Goshun. Sige ka lang.
Smell it?
Oh my gosh, Midi.
Fragrance of summer night.
Your team
Oh!
destroyed a turret.
Epal talaga tong glue na to. Manda ka talaga, te. Magkapag nakapag-item na ako. Paka-epal nito. Goshun yung target ko, te. Pero umi-epal siya. Ito, te. Oh, deserve. Halag, namatay po siya, ma'am. Halayot.
Attack.
Asa man Goshun ability diri, oy? Wait lang. Kimo ba? Alala, day, ang turtle, day. Day, tabangi ang turtle, day. Lang, day. Goshun ability. Manda ka sa akin, mga putang ina nyo. Tang ina nyo talaga, te. Mga shang-shang kayo. Ayan! Mga shang-shang kayo. Mga di puta kayo, ha? Sige, sige, tay. Makiwar. Bayot. Ano?
It was too late to
You deserve that. Day! Yung teta! Di ba?
Slain the
Hashtag. Sige, day. Dari man na, day. Liputi na, day. Sige, naog ron. Abi kog mo naog. Kay na.
Out of the darkness.
Kasi kumakumatos ron. Arad, day. Humanda ka, Zaz. Wala na kay ulti. Ikaw, pilingon kapag kabayot.
Aku Diosang!
slain.
Oy, as long as day nakatabang ta, day had ako tagkatabang nila, day. Nakatabang ta nila, day. Nasa mga 100% bayot.
An enemy
Kaya dili tungod sa kong ulti, day. Dili to mamatay bayot, no. Muna ginatawag, day, na give chance to other. Correct. Ano ra na, ma'am? Very simple, day.
As long as the sun still shines.
Dapat, day, may matang kindness, bayot, kindness person, ma'am. Di ba? Correct.
king.
Correct. Sure. Kay manda ka, day. Mga kindness person, dyan ka na ko ron. Na-adjoy leksyon na ok ron.
Aku Diosang!
Nooy, naka-ulti ang bayot. Bayot buang, bayot buang, bayot buang, bayot buang. Manda ka. Go, day, bayot buang. Go lang. Iwan na, guys. Go. Keep it up, guys. Achieve you today. Nakakuha kayo ng ano.
Ally has been slain.
May wagang ok-ok. Kanipod si Mia diri, day, no. Dapat mo anita sa taas, day. Gipilingon na kay ko ni Mia, day, ha. Sira ba siya gwapa, day, tinuod lang.
Of summer night.
Gigwapahan na siya magdala-dalag pa na bayot.
Solo kill.
Diba? Dahil ka siya namatay, which mean, pangit siya, day. Correct.
Life is so perilous a journey.
Sige, Goshun. Na, uy, ayoko na, te. Oh, yawa! Let's kaya, mga epal.
Your team destroyed.
Hello, day, dark system. Lagi ko karon ay, na dark system na ko dapat magkuha na ta, guys. My gosh. Dapat dili ta dark system, ha. Dapat dili ta dark system. Dapat dili na to i-apply ang pagka-dark system na to. Dapat atong ihatag atong best diri, guys. Diba? Manda.
Survived the darkness.
Okay.
Again.
Survive. Muna bayot. Survive the darkness daw, ma'am.
An enemy has been slain.
Kiday dapat makasurvive ta sa makasurvive ta sa darkness diri bakla. Makasurvive, hala, pilingon lagi ning Mia ay.
Purifying.
Pilingon lagi ka, Mia ay. Let's lagi mo ay. Gi, gaba ning bayuta ka, gaba. Hala, wa jud siya namatay yot.
An enemy has been slain.
They must be led back where
Hala, wa jud namatay, day.
Double kill.
Manda.
Super.
Feel ko na siya dira, ha, nagatang na siya dira, I know, right. Dapat advance ta, day. Dapat advance ta mag-isip, ma'am, kay basin maunhan ta, day. Watay mabuhat bayot. Yatchability ang padungnan bayot. Okay. Kimura, I think wala.
soul corruption is contained.
Feel ko padulong si Mia diri, day. Ara.
This feels clean.
Bayot, i-clean na imong naong, day. Ay! Lumalapas na tayo, te.
Petals
oh.
unfold. Perfume
Ally
light.
has been
And
slain.
here I finally rise and bloom.
Patay ko man, guro ni.
Ally has been slain.
Bloom now.
Oh! Ano? Di akaluod.
Fortunate soul.
Ally has been slain.
Oh, hala. Epal ka? Ano? Ano? Epal mo naman. Epal mo. Di akaluod di mo, day. Epal, ha. Wag kasi maging epal. Oops! Yan. Di lang, wala pa ko'y ulti. Wala pa ko'y ulti. Di akaluod.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Hala, ang Lord. Tabangi ang Lord.
Our turret is under attack.
Oh, correct. Asa mo, ma'am. Patay si Zasday. Mga ugod. Ay, hala. Nakuha pang Lord. My gosh.
Brilliant tanking.
Ay, nakuha pang Lord, day. -1 mo, day. -1 mo, day. My gosh. Ipatay na gin ako si Zaz, day. Pagkit na ko ang Lord bayot. Naunsa man ka pani, oy. Pani, naunsa ka pani. Good day. Good day. Nawarlahan na ninyo, day. Kung ano nyo na pauli abayot.
Shine.
Hindi po nang pauli. Na, day. Namatay man, day kang bayuta ka. Pabuyag ka, ha. Okay, pabuyag. Di
I
magsigpabuyag,
must
ma'am.
stop them before they go too far.
Okay, so mag-clear sa tamam, no? Kay murag dagan-dagahan na dyan ang mga crates. Hala, hurot! Uy, Diyos ko, pabuyag! Uy, itaw mo sigpabuyag, guys.
Careful.
Guys, ayun mo sigpabuyag, guys.
Under attack.
May stress akong payong diri bakla. Akong payong tagtologist. Sige lang.
Hands and fold.
Kaya maguro na ako ng Balmon?
And here I
Hala, kaya na ako ni Day. Level 11 pa siya, Day. Level 13 ako. Hilas ka, ha? Oh! Oh! Yawa! Day! Talong!
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack.
Hala, uy, papuyag lagi ni ay.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Dear Lord, when I get some... Day, ang pani na mo, Day, dili ka balo. Uy, pani, pabuyag ka pani ay.
Under attack.
Tangbi, magtarong na tagay.
Our turret is
Good day ka na, correct. Gaba. Gigabaan na siya, ma'am. Bayot, gigabaan na ka, bayot. Bayot, anam na kasi mong gaba, ma'am. Una, day.
an enemy.
Awa ha, guys, tengen. Diba?
Akuyo Taisan.
An enemy
Wala yun. Try lang, guys.
has been slain.
Uy, wala to, ha. Uy, wala yung nakakita. Wala yung nakakita, guys. Mutang pinaka... Oops! Ayun. Go, guys. Go, kaya nyo yan. Pani, bugo kay ka, pani, ay. Let's check, ha.
For sunlight.
Pagkabugo, pani, ha. Isapot na ko, pani. Hala. Good day.
Slain.
Let's see maning cushion. Let's see maning cushion. Pahawa mo, Bi. Pahawa mo. Pahawa. Pilingon lagi ning glue eye. Hoy, papilit ko ni Ron. Sige. Sige, away. Pag gusto ka mapilit, day. Pilingon siya, ay. Kaabot lang man ang cushion, ha. Mapatay ko lang na, ah.
Trust me. Suits me.
Ally has been slain.
Nawa, jud, day. Good, day.
Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Nawa, jud. Ay. Try lang.
Ace is
Uy, day, abas. Wala na nga, ay! Hindi, day, nangaunta man yung sila, day. Uy.
ally has been slain.
Nakakumatos lagi ni sila, ay.
Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Unclean.
Uy, nangaunta mo. Okay ra mo?
Inhibitor turret is under attack. Ally has been slain.
Oh! Diya kaluod. Gabaan na kagusyon. Sa wakas, day, nakabawi na jud ko, day. Let's see, ang Lord. Ay! Sakasakit ba? Sakita, oy.
Our turret has been
Diya kaluod.
Our base is under attack. Ally has
Uy, ang Lord! Defense tayo ang ano. Oh! Ah! Correct. Wala kayo, te. Wala, huy, tabangid, day. Huy. Diya kaluod. Mid na, guys. Mid. Mid na. Mid na, guys. Mid na. Huwag na mid. Mid na, guys. Mid. Ayun na lang, guys. Center aisle ka nang. Side by side na lang. Di siya kaya, hala, naglag ko, te.
Life is so perilous a journey that people
Dapat di ko mamatay, ani, I think ako ang pag-asa. Try lang. Pag-asa ng bite. Try lang. Hala, Epal! May nakalabas na namang pasneja. Wait lang, manta. Kuday, kaya nyo yan. Guys, tingin.
retreat.
Pag naimula by diri, congrats.
Do you
Congratulations.
smell it?
Either Mia or what?
Fragrance of
Let's
summer
see.
night. Akuyo Taisan.
Na, uy, ano ba yan? Nakakairita. Nakakairita naman.
The world is a big
Oops!
and every
Naigusyon. Oops! Die, careful mo, guys. Guys, should be careful. Hala, careful mo, bakala. Mahina ang kalaban. Hindi tayo malakas.
Akudyo Taita!
Ya, wala yaw! Ah! Let's wala ko damage. Ano daw? Ano daw? Guys, ano lang? Safe lang, guys. Uy, wala ko damage, ay. Kaepal ba, uy? Wala ni gamit sa ko. Dapat, bala mo dira. Di atay juding Mia, uy. Gahi kay baga. Manda ka, te. Babuyag kang bayhanan ka. Ayun! Wala nang pag-asa. Hala.
The enemy has slain Lord.
Ayoko na. Ayoko na, guys. Ayoko na. Wait lang, be careful ta, guys.
Initiate retreat.
Yawa! Oh! Correct! Yawa, ako pa dyan namatay. Uy, let's see. Abi ko ako yun na sa gusion. Go, guys! Correct! Ay! Pasabog.
Uy, para nating haven.
Go, guys. Go, die. Dapat ano kayo spreading. Ano to? Go, die mid na, die mid. Guys, ako na ibala sa center. Ay, sa kuan, guys, sa side. Na, uy, na-yacht pa dyan.
Our base is under attack.
My gosh. Die! Wait lang, B. Kaya ko ba to? Kaya ko pa tong mag-def. Manta. Lapatay. Go.
Survive
Go,
the
go.
darkness. Again.
Kaya ko mag-side. Manda, side you. Try lang.
Trust me.
Our base is under attack.
Guys, kaya ba to? Wait nga lang.
I must stop.
Yung Mia ha, yung Mia, yung Mia. Ako lang. Huwag na lang.
Our base is under attack.
Try lang.
Now.
Unstoppable. Shut down.
Wala.
Enemy defeated. Our base is under attack.
Ang ina! Wala talaga. Di puta kayo.
Defeat.